Guys, this is day 2 of letting ChatGPT coach me how to become a better confident public speaker in just 30 days. Yesterday I realized something. Public speaking isn't just about talking. It's about thinking carefully even before you speak. So today, ChatGPT gave me a different challenge. It told me to choose a random topic, to take 30 seconds to organize my thoughts, then to speak for a full minute without reading any script. At first I thought it's something easy. It's the easiest, just only 1 minute to speak out my thoughts. But my blood, it is something very, very weird, something difficult. Honestly speaking, it wasn't as I expected. It was something difficult, something different. Halfway through, I completely lost my train of thoughts. Then I paused. I repeated myself. It was like, how comes only 1 minute? I've lost everything. Then I realized something even I never noticed before. When I didn't have a clear structure, that was the problem. I had no clear structure. At first I thought, it's just a matter of thinking, getting an idea or any topic from any kind, then 1 minute speaking it out. But I'm telling you, me starting, I lost the train of thought. I was like, how comes? How can I fail to speak just for 1 minute? It is something very, very, very different. But instead of just pointing out my mistakes, ChatGPT explained the reasons of why they happened and gave me a simple framework of how to organize my ideas before speaking them. And I could already feel a small improvement within me. I'm definitely not where I want to be yet, but I'm better than I was yesterday. That's what basically this challenge is all about. So tomorrow, ChatGPT is giving me another new challenge. And honestly, I'm a little nervous about it because I don't know what's going to happen. Because what happened today really showed me that these things are going to be a part easy, a part difficult. But let's meet tomorrow again. You can like, you can subscribe, you can even share the video, you can comment the skill you want to learn, a new skill you want to learn, you want to follow with me. As I'm doing this, I'm learning public speaking. You as well, you are learning another skill you want to learn. You can comment it in the comment section. I will reply you.